how to create a seller account on Etsy. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution, and in this video I will show you how you guys can quickly create an Etsy account for yourself. So firstly, come on to etsy.com. After that, you guys are going to see this particular dashboard. So now from over here, scroll down till the very end of the page and click on sell on Etsy. So when you click on sell on Etsy, that's going to take you guys over to another page. So as soon as you guys come over to this page, well, after that you guys are going to see another dashboard which is going to look something like this. So as soon as you guys come onto this dashboard over here, you guys can see all of their different features. So firstly, you guys can of course list your items for any value that you want, starting from just $0.20. And then after that, you also have many powerful tools and services to make it easy to manage, promote, and grow your business. You can also reach out to Etsy support specialist anytime you need a hand and get tips on running a successful shop on Etsy. So when you're ready, click on open your Etsy shop. After that, wait for a few seconds and then another page is gonna load up, which is gonna be this particular page. You guys can either sign up with Google, Facebook, or Apple, and your account is gonna be created as a seller on Etsy. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time, goodbye.